how to complete the referral program in Raid Shadow Legends. I'm going to explain how this works. First, we will click on referral program in the top left corner, and right here at the top, if you haven't referred any people, you will see these options: get referred, referral link. Now you can refer up to 3 people, and while they level up to level 50, you will receive rewards, and so will they. So basically, if you click on get referral link here and go and I'm going to show you what it looks like. It copies this message: here's my install link for Raid Shadow Legends, get it through this link and both of us will get free stuff to boost us along. And this is going to be the referral link. Now all the other person needs to do is open up this link and download Raid Shadow Legends and begin playing. As long as they play, then you will receive these rewards, and here you get the option to refer more people if your 3 friends reach level 50 here. And you can see the bonuses: you get sacred shards and legendary skill tomes. Now if the person you are referring is on iOS, once they open the game, Raid would like permissions to track across apps and websites owned by other companies. They have to click on allow tracking. This is very important because otherwise their progress will not count towards yours. And that is how you complete the referral program in Raid Shadow Legends. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.